Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be showing you a monthly guide that will help keep your home in great condition throughout the summer. Let's get started. In the month of June, you should verify that your air conditioner is functioning properly. Check the ceiling around windows and doors for any leaks. Verify that your roof shingles are in good condition and that flashing and chimney caps are properly sealed. Check the garage and garage door tracks for damage. Lubricate garage door bearings. Check any sheds for damage. Test the septic system and clean it if necessary. And fertilize your lawn. In July, you should be sure to clean your air conditioner or replace the filter if necessary. Check and clean exhaust fans if necessary. And air out your basement on dry days to eliminate moisture. In August, you should clean your air conditioner again or replace the filter if necessary. Check all driveways and walkways for cracks and damage. Verify that your doors and locks function properly, and air out your basement again on dry days to eliminate moisture. Every month in the summer, it is important that you check your water heater for leaks. Check and reset your ground fault circuit interrupter, also known as a GFCI, and test your smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. Make sure you look in the description of this video for a printable version of this checklist, and be sure to subscribe if you enjoy our content and want to see more of our videos. See you next week!